promise you fuckers some tech. I'm gonna give you some fucking tech. Working on the LS swap Blazer today. Doing the fucking rear leaf springs because they're fucking sacked out. What can go wrong? Fucking New York truck. So anyways, we got my 89 LS swap S10 Blazer here. Basically when I put 8.8 into it, after I blew up that 7.5 inch stock ring gear like it was no tomorrow, after I swapped that in, I had a vibration about 65 or so, and it's been getting worse. And basically what it is, you can see, the truck goes like this. Way higher, not as high. What it is the leaf springs are fucking sack the fuck out. You can see, my leaf springs are pretty fucking flat. Got a little bit of curve. Not much. Fucking jacking it. So, as you can see, the fucking leaf spring is falling apart too. The bottom one, yeah, like 2 fingers width out of line with the fucking next one. Dunzo. I could fucking try and re-arc them, but you know, sometimes I just learn it's easier to buy the fucking new part. May not look that rusty, it really isn't for New York. But the problem is, when you go do fucking leaf springs or shackles or anything in New York, 9 times out of 10 the fucking bolt is seized solid right in the rubber, or in the sleeve in the rubber bushing. So what does the guy do? Well, with this video, I plan on to show you a couple different fucking ways of tackling this. You just gotta be smarter than the fucking bolt. Uh-oh. I hope this one ain't fucking seized. Problem with this side being seized is the fact that my muffler is right in the way. So we'll try to turn around all this. So fuckers, it's been like 2, 3, 10, 20, I don't know, I lost count about how many months later. But yeah, I got that leaf spring done. Basically this fucking shackle bolt up there was seized in there, and I was going to cut it. Fucking thing's harder than a fucking wedding prick, but took the old semi-automatic fucking hammer there and went to town, and lo and behold, she came out. I ended up chopping off a little bit of that bolt and saved the threads and fucking reuse it. Why not? So now this bolt is already loose from months before, but that one right there, hopefully it comes out. You don't go right to the punch bit, guys. Get yourself one of these fancy fucking things, just a hammerhead bit for the fucking air chisel, slide that in. It's about the only time, well, I was just about to say this is about the only time you'll see me fucking wear hearing protection, but Harbor Freight, man. God damn it. He's fucking designed for a goddamn midget? I mean, look at this. Even with my custom tape job, they still don't cover my fucking ears. I guess I got a big fucking head. Yeah, fucking ears just love it. Fucking success, bud. That right there is how it's fucking done. There you go. Fucking center bolt to center bolt. You can see. Just gonna recondition.
No, I think it's gonna be alright.
this bolt here.
Oh, I know I look great.
It's fine. Yeah, I mean, clean one owner. Only driven church on Sundays. Clearly. And it'll be good to go. So as you have fucking guessed here, this does not fucking thread back on there anymore. You just make new threads. This ain't the right way of doing it, but it works. If you want to be a cheap fuck like me, reuse a fucking piece of shit bolt just because you don't feel like running fucking 15 miles away to get one. That's what you do. If you can get the fucking things out of there, anyways. Sometimes you're not this lucky. Sometimes they don't budge at all with the fucking air chisel. And then you are cutting them, or you're now cutting towards, and it just fucking escalates quickly. Jesus! I gotta breathe. People were telling me, I gotta fucking swear less, so I'm trying to keep it down a little bit here. I can't smoke and swear, I'm fucked.
I'm sorry about all the about all the stuff, but the prosecutor is he's an effing bad guy. I can't speak without swearing, and I've only got my grade 10, and I haven't had a cigarette since I've been arrested, and I'm ready to fucking snap. Because if I can't smoke and swear, I'm fucked.
Alright, well, it's the fucking next day now. As you can see, the fucking truck's all back together. Doesn't have this stupid gay-ass Carolina squat bro going on anymore. Tire Roaster 9000's all back together. I bolted on my shit tires, too. Got the exhaust all fucking hung right up and welded up. Yeah. She's in there. Oh yeah, all the flow. So yeah, time to go burn some fucking rubber and enjoy all this fucking hard work I've done. Yep. We live in the 21st century, and yet we pump gas slower than ever.
I'm gonna finish my coal snag before that's done.
God damn it! I'm glad I got $10 in fucking gas. I want to fucking burn through it all before it gets in my fucking tank. So we gotta prep it here. We gotta turn off the traction control. Yup. And ABS permanently disabled, I think. I think we're good to go. Alright.
Do I need to get out now?
Yeah, get the hell out! Damn it! Oh.
That's kind of weak.
Ford clutches in that LSD are not happy with the one-wheel peel.
Listen to it.
Transmission for a second.
Oh shit.
Thought I made 4L60 soap. Said I had a smoke problem. I don't know what it is. So, we came to the fucking consensus. If there's any more fucking tread left on these burnout tires, they'd be fucking brand new. So, you know what that fucking means.
You know what that means? I need to crack a beer.
Kool-Aid. Yes.
Smoke show. Got anything to say? Yeah, that's a good video. Woo!
I just want to thank all you fucking cunts for watching this stupid fucking garbage. So thank you fuckers. Keep hammering that subscribe button. And remember, don't put your hands any place you want to put your dick.